Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys what we did for today's iftar. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn the notification bell so you guys get notified when I post a new video. And also guys, make sure to stick around to the end to see the final results. And we'll also be showing you guys the preparation of how we did all this. So yeah, make sure to stick to the end to find out. Okay, see ya. So here we have some chopped up cashews, which will be put inside the dessert for tomorrow's iftar. And here is the kheer. Here is my mom. She's just sauteing the raisins so they can be really yummy. So I'm really excited for that. And I really love kheer because it just contains rice and it's the rice pudding. So it tastes really, really good, and especially the way my mom makes it. So I'm really excited for that. And yeah. And what are we cooking these in? Ghee? Oh,
yeah, that's ghee. And we'll be making some. Look at this.
Sean.
Yeah, the savaiya ka
Savaiya ka meetha. Wait, what is it like in English?
It's like they're like thin, like very thin, like noodle, like
the noodles were sweet. They're sweet noodles. They're sweet noodles.
Yeah.
So we'll show you guys when the sweet noodles or savaiya are done. So here we have all the dessert done. We have the savaiya here. It's my favorite Pakistani dessert. It tastes super good. It's very sweet. It has this you have to add butter to it, so it's a little bit greasy and overall very tasty. Here we have another very different dish, also Pakistani. We have rice pudding. So what would it be called? Kheer. Yeah, kheer. And this bowl looks like Stewie's head. And it contains rice, and it's technically rice with just pudding in it. The pudding obviously tastes great, and then that rice adds that extra flavor to it. And then also here we have the sauteed almonds and then the sauteed raisins, and my mom's just putting it all over the savaiya and all over the kheer to make it taste much, much better. Okay guys, so we have a lot more planned for this video today as our first iftar for this year's Ramadan. So stay tuned for what we're going to have for today's iftar.
20 minutes later.
Okay guys, so here the baklava is complete. It looks super yummy. It's right now very fresh. My mom is just about to take it out of the oven. It looks so yummy. I can't wait to eat this. It's right now very fresh, so I think I'm gonna have one maybe later for Iftar. Okay guys, so here we have the finished fruit platter. We got oranges, we got apples, we got pears, we got bananas, we got cantaloupe, we got this thingy, I don't forget what it's called, I know it's a fruit. And here are all the fruits that we have so far on our fruit platter. Don't worry guys, there's gonna be a lot more for our iftar. We're gonna have baklava, we're gonna have a lot more things. I think we're also gonna have kebabs and stuff. It's gonna be a blast. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, the next thing we'll be showing you guys what we're having for iftar.